Start.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. With my another version of videos, I am present among you, all people. In my previous videos, I have discussed about HR challenges to beginners. Job offer letter, job descriptions and job offer letters. Appointment, joining of the day, appointment and appointment letter and clauses therein. Now, taking it forward, induction programs is a very important. It plays very vital role to retain an employee. Rather, I will say that employee retains himself or herself if has gone through proper induction programs. Aim of induction program is to make the new appointee very clear about the organizational formalities, documentation, systems, rules, regulation, approaches in the department with other department, such things. The day person join, he may be enriched in knowledge, but he is not aware about practices being made in the organization, rules, regulation, systems, communication style, work style, movements, personnel policies, and so many other said unsaid which he or she has to obey, respect while on job. Before few years, induction program was being conducted on projectors or LCD. Now, majority of the organizations, they are conducting through a laptop or desktop being installed at the place of inductee. He has to go through the reporting time. I'm talking small things. I am not talking about the big things. Let me see, I am person basically to take care of the mistakes not to happen at the initial stage. If it is so, opportunity of happening the mistakes are very poor. So you will observe that I am trying to talk a ground level reality. I am not talking anything written in the different kind of the books. I don't want to impress talking big things in the among you all people, because that you will do and that it will happen in your career also. But today I am talking to what you will face the real problem on the real ground. If it can be taken care of by you, your self confidence will boost up, you will be self motivated, you will give your best on hour and day basis to the organization. So the appointment purpose of your appointment and organizational expectations from you fulfilled, and you are happy and delighted. If you are happy and delighted, then you can bring the smile on the face of other people. Therefore I am talking to very small things, that induction programs start that welcoming the person in the family, then joining formalities and what are the balance if any and when to be covered, duty reporting time, grace period if it is otherwise not, holidays list, leave system, let it be casual leave, privilege leave, sick leave, government declared leave, and the rules related to that. Eligibility and applicability to be spelled out in your documents which you have put in the laptop or desktop. Very crystal clear. You will enjoy privilege leave after completing 240 days. Then you should be able to explain the meaning of days. Don't, sometimes what happens, you normally read it and leave it. Then you are carrying the problem in your mind, and when after few months problems takes place or you have to apply it practically when you are in need of such leave, then lot of difference comes. What is in your mind, what system during induction said and you read, and what HR person is saying, and then there is the hue and cry. So those situations should be avoided during this time. And thereafter what happens normally, these are the general things which HR covers. Either you demand or don't demand. Then induction program is basically structured. It is not that any person can come anytime and he can give you any kind of the knowledge and can walk out. No. Now the situation is that already you will be given a list of induction program, name of the orators, topics, rather department, and the topic related to department which he will be imparting with you. You should also complete yourself with the homework. And when person means head of department, I mean to say, comes to impart the induction program, keep your questions ready, clarifications ready. Don't hesitate. What happens, न्यूकमर्स हेजिटेट्स, अरे भाई इनसे क्वेश्चन मत पूछो, आगे चल के सताएंगे, ऐसा मत करो वो आगे जाकर परेशान करेंगे. नो, induction program is not made to waste the time, eat the biscuits sweep the team. It is made with a special purpose that you get familiarity with the organization system, policies, procedures, and who are the head of departments and which departments he or she is running, and what are the act and activities he is doing in that department, and how you will be interacting with them.